So this is the continuation of the meditation series we started. And we're going to talk about the visualization meditation. And this is a powerful technique that harnesses the innate power of our imagination to cultivate a sense of calm, positivity, and healing within ourselves. Through the practice of visualization, we can create vivid mental images that evoke positive emotions and sensations, guiding us into a state of deep relaxation and inner harmony. To begin a visualization meditation, you have to find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed, as it's very important when you want to visualize things. So when you do this, you want to close your eyes, you want to take a few deep breaths, and you want to allow yourself to relax and unwind. And make sure that you aren't being disturbed, okay? It's very important. So you need to get centered and grounded. You need to begin to feel some peace and serenity in your eyes. So what you can do at this point is you can imagine a place that is safe for you, okay? And this could be, for me, it's a beach. I'm a beach girl. It could be a lush forest. It could be a serene mountaintop, or any other place that resonates with you and brings you a sense of calm and tranquility. I call it my happy place. So as you immerse yourself in this mental landscape, and you need to engage your senses with this, you need to be vivid with everything that's around you. So notice the colors, the shapes, the textures, the smells, anything that's there. And notice if there's how you feel in your skin. Is there a breeze where you are? Is there sand beneath your feet? Are there trees and leaves blowing in the wind? So really learn to get as visualized as you can with your meditation. So allow yourself to experience everything, the sights, the sounds, the sensations of this peaceful place. So this is a place where you can go and you can let go of any stress that you may be feeling. So all you need to do is just sit there and visualize this beautiful place that you want to call home or call your safe space. And while you're sitting there, breathe and be aware of your body. But you can also practice some positive intentions in this, which are good for self-love, gratitude, and being well. For example, you might repeat the phrase, I am calm and centered. I am surrounded by love and light. Or I am grateful for this moment of peace. So when you're in this meditation, allow yourself to linger in this state of relaxation and inner peace for as long as you can, savoring the feelings of calm and serenity that arise. You can feel ready. When you feel ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment, carrying with you this sense of peace and positivity that you've cultivated during this visualization practice. So visualization meditation offers you a powerful tool for reducing your stress, promoting relaxation, and emphasizing overall well-being. By harnessing the power of your imagination, we can tap into a limitless reservoir of inner resources and create a profound sense of calm, positivity, and healing within ourselves. So if you can visualize this space, then you will be able to do other visualization meditations once you get to really practice and really feel and sense the sounds, the smells, everything within that meditation. Okay, until next time, be well.